Vatakuja, Vatgränden, two staircases. The last staircase in the residential building here in Lauttasaari, it groups Helsinki as first Finland. And you can also see the same piece of art built from 1981, which we found in staircase A and in staircase B. There are copies of them here. It has these repurposed appointments, and it was built by ValmetSchlieren in 1967. Mine's turning 55 years old next year, 2022, when it will be inspected again. And the serial number is VS1098, and for some strange reason, it's 1097A. In B6B it's 1099, here it's 1098.
Yeah.
So, yeah, they put the strange order.
Yeah.
Well, maybe they mixed them when they were installed.
Yeah.
There are five floors here. Let's go for a second ride.
Yeah. Perspektiivpakken wijst dat mee dit pas in.
Yeah, it's not the best possible maintenance.
Yeah.
Should have been calm. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's